Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Gohar Publishers. This is Hamna bint Shehzad. Our motto is redefining the geography of education through digital resources for conceptual learning. Dear teachers and dear students, आज के इस वीडियो लेसन में हम देखेंगे इंग्लिश फॉर द ग्रेड 7 का रिव्यू 2. तो स्टार्ट करते हैं रिव्यू. Oral communication skills. Discuss the following question with the partner. Use the underlined words in your responses. अब ये underlined words जो हैं आपने उसको इस्तेमाल करना है. जैसे कि in your hometown, what is the lowest temperature and what is the highest temperature? Use the word degrees in your answer. Like आप कह सकते हैं कि जी lowest temperature जो होता है वो 21 डिग्री सेल्सियस है और हाईएस्ट टेम्परेचर जो है जी वो 40 डिग्री सेल्सियस तक जाता है. What is the chance of rain tomorrow in the area where you live? Chance of rain. The chance of rain is 50-50. इस तरह आपने आंसर करना है. Now, what is the best source to get a weather forecast? TV, newspaper, on the internet. हम कह सकते हैं the best source to get the weather forecast is internet. जो भी आपको लगता है. What is the safest mode of transport? आप कह सकते हैं कि there is no safest mode of transport. What are study skills? How can you schedule and manage your learning? So my study skills are इस तरह आपने करके रिस्पॉन्स करना है. What is patriotism? How can you best serve your nation? अब यहाँ पे आप आंसर करेंगे कि we can serve studying by helping whatever you आपको लगता है. ठीक है जी. Now match the words with their meanings. Summit, the highest point of a mountain. Particle, a minute portion of a matter. Lucrative, profitable. Ambassador, representative. A mission, discharge. Smoke, a mixture of smoke and foam. Mountaineering, activity of climbing mountains. Despite, in spite of. Peak, highest point of a mountain. Incredible, unbelievable. Now answer the following questions. What did Jinnah say about the solidarity of Pakistan? Now Jinnah had realized that provincialism was the greatest threat to the solidarity of the country. He warned his people, have you forgotten the lesson that was taught to us 1300 years ago? What is the use of saying we are Bengalis, Sindhis, Pathans or Punjabis? No, we are Muslims. You belong to a nation. You have carved out a territory, a vast territory. It is all yours. It does not belong to a Punjabi or a Sindhi or a Pathan or a Bengali. It is yours. What is lingua franca? Lingua franca means shared communication language between people whose official languages are different. What are the causes of pollution in our country? The causes of pollutions are burning of trash, throwing waste on the roads, spitting on the floor. What role can we as a citizens play to solve environmental problems? We can plant more trees. Do not throw trash on the roads. Don't throw trash in the seas, river, etc. Try not to waste water. Try not to waste electricity. Recycle glass, cans, plastic and pipe. Don't burn trash. Don't burn garbage. What is the importance of sports? Sport is an important element of schooling and life in general. It develops various important qualities such as leadership, patience, teamwork. Sports and physical activities improve fitness and immunity against common illness. Moreover, sports are great for character development and moral through fair play. What is sportsman spirit? Sportsman spirit is the act of accepting one's success with humility. The type of policy help us to cope with failures and disappointments that come our way. In case of failure, positive attitude motivates us to make renowned efforts to achieve success next time. From such situation, we learn to accept defeat gracefully. Vocabulary and grammar. Use for or since in the space given below in sentences. I have not heard from them since I was 6. It has not rained for 2 months. They have been waiting for the bus for 35 minutes. You have not changed since the last time I saw you. My sister has been studying for 2 hours. I have not seen you since ages. She has been training for the contest for 2 weeks. They have been engaged in this activity since long. We had been struggling for a separate homeland for several years. You have not found your family since you left home. Man has struggled against the forces of nature since times memorial. Now, write words with the correct spellings. Careless, unreflective, achievement, ambassador, mountaineer, Karakoram, separate, conference, fulfillment, illiteracy, purchase, exemplary. Now, punctuate the given sentences. One day, a farmer went with his oxen to plough his field. He had just turned the first furrow when a tiger walked up and said, "Peace be with you, friend. How are you this fine morning?" "The same to you, my lord, and I am pretty well, thank you," replied the farmer, quacking with fear but thinking it wisest to be polite. Write a short essay on the struggle to save the environment or an inspirational leader in your notebook. अब हमें यहाँ पे दो ऐसे लिखने को कहे गए हैं, अ स्ट्रगल टू सेव द एनवायरनमेंट और दूसरा एन इंस्पायरेशनल लीडर। मैंने दोनों एसेज जो हैं वो लिखे हैं, आप इनमें से कोई भी सिलेक्ट कर सकते हैं। नो, पहला है द स्ट्रगल टू सेव द एनवायरनमेंट। द एनवायरनमेंट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर ऑल लिविंग थिंग्स बट टुडे इट इज इन डेंजर। Pollution, cutting down trees and wasting natural resources are harming the earth. The struggle to save the environment is a serious matter that needs everyone's help. Many people and groups are working hard to protect nature. They plant trees, clean dirty rivers and teach others to take care of the environment. Schools also play a big role by telling students how to keep their surroundings clean. People are learning to recycle, save water and use eco-friendly products instead of plastic. We all must take part in this struggle. We can start by throwing trash in dustbin, using cloth bags and saving electricity. If we take small steps today, we can make a big difference tomorrow. The earth is our home and it is our duty to protect it. Let's all work together to save the environment and make the world a cleaner, greener place. Now दूसरा ऐसे है an inspirational leader. मैंने इलामा इकबाल पे लिखा है. इलामा इकबाल is one of the most inspirational leader in the history of Pakistan. He was not only a great poet but also a thinker, philosopher and a true guide for the Muslim of the subcontinent. His ideas gave hope and courage to the people and helped them dream of a separate country. Ilama Iqbal was born on 9th November 1877 in Sialkot. From a young age, he loved reading and writing. He was a brilliant student and later studied in Europe. His poetry was full of powerful message and inspired Muslims to work hard, become strong and stand up for their rights. He is called the poet of the East because his woke up people and gave them a new spirit. In 1930, Ilama Iqbal gave the idea of a separate homeland for the Muslims of India. This idea became the foundation of Pakistan, although he passed away before the Pakistan was made. His vision and dream were carried forward by Quaid-e-Azam. Ilama Iqbal is an inspiration for all of us. He taught us to believe in ourselves, love our country and work hard for a better future. His life and words still guide us today, making him a true unforgettable leader. आई होप आपको आज का वीडियो लेसन पसंद आया होगा। एक नए वीडियो लेसन के साथ हम फिर मिलेंगे, तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज।